right? So you best that when see what happens is when things are changing very fast, right? In the last 1 year, I'm sure we all are in tech. We must have heard so many different LLMs coming in. Oh, we have ChatGPT came in. Okay, now we have Bart, we have Copilot, we have Bing Chat, we have Midjourney coming in, we have Stable Diffusion coming in. So there was just one after the other, after the other, after the other. There's so many different LLMs, so many different AIs proliferated that the typical reaction that most of us have is let them be. Once everything settles down, we will figure it out. I'll pick something that is needed for me. If this approach can potentially work if you are far removed from this the impact of AI, which is very, very few people. But given that all of you are interested in tech or um, uh, are involved in tech, that's your livelihood, you do not have that luxury. A lot of times there's a fear of accepting all of these changes as well. Embrace it, accept it, and start learning. There's just way too many things happening. We also feel this way because for the last 70 years, when all of these transitions were happening, they were not approachable by a commoner, which is why we were kind of aloof from all the awesome development that were happening. And now that the development, now that it is approachable to us and it is directly impacting our livelihood, it is slightly, now you have like it's like an iceberg, right? At the tip, you just see ChatGPT, and that kind of introduces us to the whole idea of AI and usable AIs in a way that we can use it as in a consumer tech manner. But beneath it, all the last 70 years of work is also there. And can you imagine that like 2017 is when the paper came, which the paper is called Attention is All We Need. And that paper set the stage for what we are experiencing right now, 2017. 2019 is when the first large language model called BERT by Google came in, 2 years after the paper. Right now, I'm not going to talk about what the paper was exactly about, but that paper set the stage for the technology required to build LLMs. BERT came in 2019. 2020 is when ChatGPT 3 came in, which only the very techie people were aware of. And then ChatGPT 3.5, and then that set the stage for all the other LLMs. And then there was just an explosion of LLMs and all the acceptance that happened. Yeah. So let's try to understand and proactively prepare for the shifts ahead. You do not want to be left behind. Yeah. I'm not trying to create a FOMO. I'm just making you aware that it is already underway. Better to accept it. The wave is already moving. The boat is already dancing. Get on the boat and hold tight.